Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Maybe you have been trying to set up your YouTube channel, or you have been trying to optimize the one you have set up, but you have not just been getting it right. Then this tutorial is for you, because in this tutorial we are going to learn from scratch how to set up a YouTube channel. We are going to learn how to choose the best name for each niche that you have chosen, how to get the right description, how to get the right keywords and the right hashtags. And not only that, we are going to also learn how to optimize and set it up for maximum discovery in 2026. So if you are ready, let's dive in without wasting time. All right, the first thing we do is to open ChatGPT and open a new chart. And on the new chart, you are going to tell ChatGPT what you want to do. For instance, this one says, I am creating a YouTube channel that will focus on African stories. Sorry, there's a mistake. There is African stories. Suggest 5 channel names for me. Okay, so this shows that the first thing you need to do is to know what your channel is about. Okay, you get your niche, you know what the niche is about. Then what you want to do now is to get a name for your niche. So in order to get the name for your niche, you need to tell ChatGPT what your channel is about and what you intend to be doing in the channel. Okay, this is very important because your channel brand is what makes your channel stand out and what will give your channel that boost. So if you don't brand your channel very well, from the name to every other thing that I'm going to be showing you here, then that channel is not going to be doing well. So once you upload a prompt like this to ChatGPT, it gives you name suggestion. Now you can say, I use 5 here, you can say 10, you can say 20, and it gives you name suggestions. But remember what I have said, you have to make sure that you tell ChatGPT the kind of channel you're creating and what it is about. Okay, now it gives this. Okay, so just go ahead and choose anyone you want. If you don't like anything, you can still tell ChatGPT to do this, do that, and change things for you. So I said here, I have chosen Echoes of Africa TV. That's the one I have chosen, and that is number 2. Okay, now write me a YouTube channel description for this channel and give me channel keywords and hashtags. So he went ahead and wrote me this channel description here. I say, welcome to Echoes of Africa TV, your home for powerful African stories, untold histories, gripping true crime cases, cultural legends, and blah, 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 blah. So if there's anything you don't want here, you can tell ChatGPT to remove it. For instance, if it is not about gripping true crime story or anything that has to do with crime cases, just tell ChatGPT to remove that part. If it is about cultural legends or real life narratives, if it's not about real life narratives, that is narratives that actually happen, you can remove all those ones. Okay, you can just tell ChatGPT to remove those ones. But if you're okay with this, you go ahead and continue with the next part, which is the channel keywords. Now you went ahead also to give me channel keyword like Echoes of Africa TV, African True Crime. Okay, your keywords are actually what people are searching for when they are looking for the words or phrases that people use to search for content like the one that you will be featuring in your on your channel. Okay, now there are hashtags also, which also aid in discovery, even though recently YouTube has said that hashtags play minimal role when it comes to discovering content. So once all these things are gotten, we go to the next step, which is opening a new tab and typing youtube.com. And that brings us to this interface, and then we click on sign in because we need to sign in order to be able to create our account. So once you click on sign in, if you have some accounts already on your browser, you may see them the way you are seeing this one. You may use another account to use a different Google account for this, and you may also choose on once you choose on use another account. If you don't want to choose any of those there, it will give you a box where you can type an email address that you already have or create a new account. So if you go to create a new account, you may create a account for personal use, as a personal account, an account for a child, or an account for work. Okay, so whatever option you choose, um let's say personal, it brings you to where you can give your account a name, a first name and a last name, and follow it like that and create your account. All right, so once you are logged in like this, what you're going to come here to do is just come to this icon here, and then you choose view your channel. So you open your channel and it shows this way. Now, this is the channel that comes with any Google email account that you use to log into YouTube. Okay, it automatically creates a channel, a YouTube channel, using that particular email account. Okay, now if you want to change it, if you don't want to go ahead and use this, if you don't want to customize this, because you can customize it and change the name and logo and all that using the customized channel here. But if you don't want to do that, you want to create a new channel from this. Okay, what you do is just click on customize channel, so it takes you to the place where you can or customize the channels. Then come to settings. When you come to settings and then you click on channel, click on advanced, go down to manage YouTube account, and it will open a different account for you. Now here you can have add or manage your YouTube channel. So from here now, you can add a new YouTube account if that is what you want to do. And so you have create a channel here. Once you click on it, YouTube will ask you to verify before you can create a new channel. They just added all these things this period. Okay, this is just an update. It was not like this before, but they want you to verify so that you can have advanced features. So for you to do that, you just click on verify. I'm going to talk about this more later in a tutorial. So let's go back to where we were before, which is here. So I'll close this and close this. So we are here. So we're going to go to customize our channel, changing the name, using the name that we had before. Okay. Now, the first thing we do is we click on this place and we change the name. So I'm going to click on that place and I will go to the where I have the name before and copy this name, and then come back to this place and paste it there. Then I am going to also uh, change this handle here. It is just like your Facebook handle. So you're going to change it to anything you feel like. Okay, usually the name. So we're going to have echoes. Sorry, there are usually no spaces. Echoes of Africa TV. Okay, then it will tell you if that name is available. This handle isn't available. Here is one that is available. So we can say Echoes of TV 01. That's another thing you need to find out. You need to make sure that any name you are choosing is a name that has not been used before. Okay, so if you find out that this one has been used, you can go back to ChatGPT and it will give you a different name. Under description, we go back and copy our description like this, copy the description, and then we paste it there. So I'm going to move this and paste. Then this is our channel link, and if you want to add another link like your Facebook handle and all that, you add it there. And if you want to add an email address that people can always use to locate you, this is where to do it. So if you click add a link, it will ask you to add a link, to add a link title. So this one will be Facebook, and then you just put the Facebook link here, copy it as a link. Don't put a handle there, because people don't really have time to begin to go to Facebook to search using your Facebook handle. What they want is a link where they can just click and it will take them to the place. So adding a link, a real link, is better. So you can add your email here. Then after you are done with that, the next thing is to upload a banner image and also a display picture here. So I'm going to click on change because you have it before, and then I'm going to open and select the ones that I have designed before. Meanwhile, I will be dropping a tutorial on how to design a YouTube display picture and a YouTube banner. So for the display picture, I'll click this one that I have downloaded before, done, that I just done for this tutorial. Okay, it may not have the same name. Remember, it is for this tutorial, but when you want to design, you must design one that is consistent with the name that your channel is bearing. So you upload it like that, and here it has to be 4 MB uh, for the channel banner. You click on the banner that I have designed before. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this and push it up, making sure. Now, this one is very important because it shows you how this image will be looking at on all the devices. Will be looking like on all the devices. So when you are on all devices, this is what you'll be seeing. When you are on desktop, this is what you'll be seeing. And when you are on TV, this is how it will be showing. Okay. Your YouTube banner is what that one that shows as a background when you open your channel with the channel name under it and display picture as a circular picture beside it. Okay. So when you are done, you click done. And one thing you must make sure of is that this viewable on all devices must include every text that you have in your channel banner. You must include it. So everything must be in viewable on all devices. Make sure that every text that you have must be on that. Okay. I'm going to show you in a subsequent tutorial how to create and make sure how to design your YouTube banner and make sure that everything is within that particular space there. So subscribe and set up notifications so you get that tutorial when it is ready. Okay. So when you are done, just click on done and you will be done. Okay. And you will be done. Okay. Let's see, is there anything? Okay, there's no, we didn't put any or here, it's not required, so I'm going to delete it so that it removes that danger sign here. That sign means that there's something that we have refused to do that we needed to uh do. Okay, so once you are done with that, you publish it, you click on publish, and your channel will be published. So I'm going to click on publish and it will be published. Then I'm going to go back to settings, which is where we're going to do other things also. So under settings, you choose the currency you want. Okay, you leave it at dollar if you want it in dollars. Now channel, under channel, select country of residence. So since I am in Nigeria, I will select Nigeria, and this is where you put those channel keywords that we have there before. So go here. This is our channel keyword, but I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make them copy ready. So I can just copy and paste them. I will say, make the keywords copy ready. So it will make them copy ready. So I can just copy them. They will be separated with comma. So I can just drag, copy, and paste. Because if you don't separate them with comma, it will see them as just one phrase. But separating with comma means that the YouTube will now know that they are different phrases. So like this, and we're supposed to have 500, but ChatGPT has given us 433. If you can add more, you can add more, but this is also okay. So we go to upload default, which is whatever you have here in this setting will appear on all the videos you'll be uploading. So here we don't add a title because all your videos will not have one title, and you don't add a description unless the description you want to appear on all your videos. Okay, what I usually do is to add a description that has to do with my channel that I want people to see in all my videos below the main description of each video. So I will copy this part of the description and paste it there. If you love true crime story from ancient kingdoms to man, so I will now bring it down. Then I will use something to separate it, something like this, to separate it like this. So when I want to upload a video, which I'm going to still make a video on how to upload your video successfully for maximum views on YouTube later. So when we want to upload, what we just do is click here and then put our description for that particular video, and it will go along with this on all the videos. Okay, so once that is done, we don't need to touch the title. For permissions, no other person, this is where you invite people to manage your channel. Okay, community moderation, how do you want the comment? Do you want to turn off comment? You don't want people to comment? How do you want the moderation of the comment to be, and all that? Okay, agreements not really necessary. We go to channel again, then we have advanced settings. Is it for kids? Choose uh, yes, this channel is meant for kids. If it is not for kids, choose no. Or you want to answer that question each time you upload here, no problem. Okay. Do you want to link a Google ad account to it? If you're going to be running ad on it, you can also do that. Okay. Is there any other thing here that we need? No, no other thing. And then we go to feature eligibility, which is that thing they were trying to make you do in the other one at the beginning when we wanted to create a channel. This is what determines how long and other feature, how long your videos will be, and other features that you will be enjoying on YouTube. So the first one, the standard, is enabled, and this is what you get. Add collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists, playlist creation and video upload. Channel is free of active community guideline strikes. Okay, now that means you have not had a strike. Once you have a strike, all this will be removed. Now look at the intermediate feature, which is you can use thumbnail, you can go live, and you can use videos longer than 15 minutes. So it means that if this is the only one you have, you cannot post a video that is longer than 15 minutes. It must be between 15 minutes and shorter. Okay, and it is enabled. For you to have this one enabled, you need to verify your phone number. So once you click here, it will take you to a screen where you input your phone number and get it verified. Okay, you may need to sometimes some um sometimes it poses some difficulties, but by trying, you get it. Now, after you have gotten that, can now go for the third one, which is advanced features. Without this one, you can't go for this one. So this one must be enabled before this one. You can see it, I said, with intermediate features enabled. And then one of these, video verification, valid ID verification, or channel history. By the time you place your mouse on this, it tells you what each one is about for you to know the best one, the one you want to choose. But it is your choice. You can choose any of them, but they all work. But the only thing is that channel history will take like 2 months for them to gather enough history from your channel to be able to enable this particular feature for you. And what are the things you enjoy in this feature? Appealing content ID claim, external link in video description, embed live streams, create more live stream daily, create more shorts daily, test and compare different thumbnails, upload more videos daily, eligible to apply for what? For monetization. So once you are done with all this, just click on save and all will be saved for us. Now, the next thing we need to do is to go and view our channel, which enables us to see how the channel is going to look like when people visit it. So we click on view channel, and it will be displayed for us this way. Okay, remember what I said. I just use this background, this banner, and this DP as examples. This is not how it's supposed to be. Our banner and our DP is supposed to carry, it's supposed to be consistent with whatever we have on with whatever our channel name is and what it is about. Now, you don't need to make it so distracting. Okay, you can just use this and the name here. Okay, just put, instead of daily posts, just put Echoes of Africa TV here and then subscribe. I mean, sometimes people put a little bit of what they want their channel to be like, a little bit of what their channel is all about below here. And also the name should also appear here, which is what I did here. You can see daily posts here, daily posts here. But the thing is that the channel is not about daily posts. So you do well to remove all that. So this is how you create your channel from scratch in 2026. I hope you have found this video very, very useful. So when you get to this point, congratulations, you are ready to start posting your videos that you have created. Okay, and concerning how to create videos and how to post them, I'm going to make video tutorials on how to post your videos successfully so that they can get maximum discovery and views when you post them. Okay, these things are things that we need to take into consideration, and a fully optimized channel like this is ready to start blowing up. Okay, when you follow all the things that I have outlined here, from getting the right keywords and using the right hashtags, okay, you are going to get your channel ready for maximum discovery and for maximum views, and of course for monetization. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you're having any challenges, if you have any questions, or if there's something you want to know. And remember, you can also join my private group where I also show people how to do so many things using AI and how they can make AI content that is perfect for their channel and that will make their channel actually blow up. Okay, subscribe to the channel so that you get subsequent videos whenever I make them, whenever I post them, so you don't miss out. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.